أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن تبعه وولاه وسلم تسليما كثيرا أما بعد. Let's get into our lecture of today, which is about small deeds or easy to do deeds. They're not small, I don't want to call them small deeds, but easy to do deeds and enormous rewards from Allah Azza wa Jal. Of course the reward will be enormous. It's easy on us physically, but it is with Allah Azza wa Jal, it is a huge deal, huge difference. As an example, the hadith, before I say anything, you will know that we know a lot of things, but unfortunately we're not practicing it. That's why it is far from our head. But once we spoke about it, yeah, I know that. I know you know that, but have you done it? That proves the point that when we ask Allah for guidance, we are not just asking Him to show us. Many people see the truth, but they still don't do it. They are distracted, they are controlled by their lust and desire, they are under the effect of other things, they are busy, they are worried, they are anxious, they are depressed, whatever the reason is. So not everybody, just because they are shown the truth or they're shown a good thing, they will end up doing it. Actually, majority of the people will not do it, even though they know the right thing. So you need the help of Allah Azza wa Jal to remind you to remember Him. The best people after the messengers of Allah, the Sahaba of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Sahaba of Rasulullah, best after the messengers. Yani you have the messengers of Allah, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam on top, Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salam, then Ulul Azm, Sayyidina Nuh, Sayyidina Musa, Sayyidina Isa, then the rest of the messengers and the prophets. That's one category. But all those messengers, they are the best of mankind. After them, not the companions of each messenger, no, the companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, they are the best of humanity from Adam until now. After Adam alayhi salam and all the other messengers of Allah comes Abu Bakr wa Umar wa Uthman wa Ali wa Hafsa wa Aisha wa Khadija, all of those, Salama, all of these Sahaba, they are the best of mankind after the messengers of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And they are the best people who are eager to do good. And they are the most virtuous of hearts and the most truthful of tongues and the sincerest of intentions and the best of deeds. Whenever any one of them know that there is a good deed and they were not able to do it, they become sad like they lost their son or they lost a dear one, something like that. And they would grieve that they did not attend the Jama'ah or did not attend the first takbirah behind Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They would grieve for it like somebody died or something like that. This is the kind of people they were. Those were the companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu anhu, he narrated the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi, hadith came to him and narrated it later, that whoever prays on a janazah and follows it until it is buried, until the person is buried, Allah Azza wa Jal will give him qiratan in Jannah. Qirat is the size of the mountain of Uhud in Jannah. So he said, Wallahi, we wasted lots of qararit. See, and he was saying it out of regretfulness, that how many of those I lost by not praying janazah on somebody or not going to the grave. SubhanAllah, now it's more of a social event. If somebody is important in the community, everybody goes because they want to be seen over there. Astaghfirullah. And then you find like if a general person or somebody dies, sometimes you do not see. I went to janazah many times in the graveyard, and I see other janazahs there. And the people are around one, but they are around the others. And I made it a point to tell the people, they are your brothers as well. Even if you do not know them, wallahi, I will get more reward. Because you just went for the sake of Allah. You do not know them. So finish this janazah and let's go for the other one. And one day we did like four janazahs. So they were there. And I went and I told the brothers, please do not start the burial until we finish here. So one after the other like that. It took, two and a half hours or more or less, but this is what it is. So we have to really start reconsidering things that we do.